Oh crap, I'm gonna drop it. Wakana from Tari Tari, which was awesome. As well as this one. Uh, Madoka. I couldn't remember her name for a minute. But I was very confused when I saw 2 Nendoroids in there when I only ordered 1. Yeah, I know. You can't read it, but she was my Secret Santa. So let's unbox these beautiful Nendoroids, and then I'll read that. First up is Wakana. She's got the normal Nendoroid box, which I don't even know what that means. So, you will not have even noticed that. Wow. She comes with a stupid amount of stuff. Stand. The Nendoroid, which is actually much larger than I was expecting. Surprisingly amazing quality. Well, I'm convinced I'm going to start collecting Nendoroids. An extra face. An extra body. It's a bench. I forgot the name for a minute. Thing. It's cute. Extra arms. There it is. Oh, the piano bench. I see. Her cat. Oh my god. Her cat, which I would like to say the name. Oh my god, can I not? Is Dora? Can't remember. I haven't watched it for a long time. A piano, which is actually really cool. I like that. I'm not. Yeah, okay, there we go. And a school bag. So I'm just gonna quickly assemble her and be back. Well, this is kind of what I did temporarily. I'm very tired right now, so I'm not gonna really figure out much right now. So like probably tomorrow I'll make her look all nice and pretty, cute and stuff. So let's get Madoka. Okay, so now we have Madoka, which is number 175. So let's open her. Ignore me. Actually, I need to dust this table off. Anyway, Madoka, who's also very cute and awesome. Okay, so this is the Madoka, and like, I actually really like her. She's really cute. Like, she's got the focus. Anyway, it's like a, oh, there we go. A sad face. A crying, come on. A crying face. I have to have the light on because it's horrible lighting in here. It's like, that's my lighting. Got a couple different art. Should I make it look like he's being strangled? If I can, that's... That's the messed up right now. So... yeah, this one's actually really cute. I like it. So let's quickly set her up. So this is what I did for Madoka, and she's adorable. I love her. So again, thank you so much, Francis. I fucking love her. Awesome. So yeah, I'll take a picture of her in my display case next, or both of them. So let's listen to what the note has to say. It says, ho ho ho. Hello, Panda. When you receive this package, you will probably be thinking, "To Nendoroid? Why?" Yes, it is I, your real Secret Santa, and not that loser who called you a bitch on Elster. Yeah, someone called me a bitch on Elster, and it made me cry. The Wakana is obviously your purchase, and Madoka is a gift. I thought she would make a nice addition to your figure family, and she does. She's adorable. It's funny because we've been talking about your Secret Santa for the past few days, and you had no idea I was yours. I had an idea. It wasn't a very solid idea, but I had an idea. Hope to see you at AR 2014 and AX 2014, and hopefully I will see you at both. If not, I will be sad. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Yeah, sorry, this note is messy. I'm being rushed. And it is actually quite the opposite of messy. This is better than my handwriting after I'm concentrating and stuff. Anyway, signed Marusaki or Francis.